In today's video, we're going to talk about why it is so important to get into profit as fast as you can when you are working with your online marketing or affiliate marketing business. All right, so we're going to first go over here and take a look at many affiliates may be familiar with, and if you're not, that's okay. Warrior Plus. And inside Warrior Plus, this is a platform where you can go uh, purchase, if you need to purchase products that will help you with your online marketing. There's everything in here from traffic products to help you get more traffic. There are lead generation. There are actual business opportunities within Warrior Plus. We try to focus mostly on the traffic opportunities. We want to make sure that we're giving you information on how to drive the best traffic, buyer traffic, um, to your call to action, to your lead magnet, to your business opportunity, whatever that may be. We want to make sure you're getting the traffic that you need to have. So within Warrior Plus, I'm going to go here to transactions, I believe is what I want. And I'm going to go here to all time. Now, my all time, I've been around Warrior Plus for quite a while, but I really didn't get serious about it until the last year or so. And because of that, I'm still learning and working around some obstacles myself. Everybody has, something they have to work around to get to the good stuff. But we want to bring you down here and show you that, I've had $263 in sales for Warrior Plus. I have $126.76 in commissions all time. That is not big. It is not huge. It is not earth shattering. It is not job replacing. It is an extra little bit of money coming in off of the work that we had been doing. Now, I say had because, as I stated, I've been with Warrior Plus for quite a while. It was about a year or so ago that I took it a little bit more seriously, and I developed some strategies that are helping me sell all of these over here you see on the left-hand side. Okay. Uh, the point to those is that I paid $5 one time to Click Dynamite. I paid, I believe, $5 one time to Click Cafe. I'm paying a membership from Click Engine. Actually, I'm not even sure if I'm paying the membership any longer to the Click Engine. And this is the TCG system. I gotta remember what TCG stands for. Sorry about that, but all of these systems are paying me back. All right. So I am in profit with all of these systems. They are low dollar entry fee systems. But when you get out there and you're not getting any leads, when you're out there and you're not getting traffic that you wanted, which is going to obviously put you in a situation where you are not getting sales, then even the small sales can make a huge difference in your motivation to keep going, to help keep you from just throwing in the towel and moving on to something else. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to get going, how to get these systems in place so that you can at least be in profit with recurring monthly payments. Okay, so these are recurring commission. The sale price is $4.95. My recurring commission is $2.30. See that little arrow right there? That means they're recurring payments. $4.95, $5, $4.95, $5. We just keep going, going, and going. Going all the way back to April of 2025. If I take this all the way down, here's a $20 one that popped in here. Here's a $27 one that popped in here back in 2023. TCG, boy, let me see if I can figure that out real quick. Is the TCG system? I don't know if it'll tell me. Okay, I'll have to go find that and get back to you on that. The click generator. Finally, I popped out a second to remember what it was, and it finally hit me. The click generator system. So I've done really well with that. $5, recurring commissions. Here's a click engine that was a double buyer for $14.90, and some other one-time offers $8.90. One traffic bonanza $9.95. So the point is that from Warrior Plus itself at $126.76 in commissions compared to what I'm paying into or have paid into these, I'm at least making money and or making a small profit from these offers, okay, from these traffic platforms or what they are. The other part of that is how we are putting those together. So I'm going to go over here to Leads Leap and I'm going to log in here. If you're not familiar with Leads Leap is our primary platform for putting together all of our funnels, putting together all of our email lists, putting together anything that I basically do with marketing. Uh, Leads Leap also has traffic available for you here as well, and you can be on the free. Let me back out of that a quick second. Let me get back to the beginning. Yeah, okay. Readjusting. This is a lifetime free membership. Who else wants free traffic? Autoresponder, page builder, pop-up creator, link tracker, and you can make money. There's up to like 5 different ways to make money. So traffic to your websites, it's human, it's not bot. They make sure to police for that. Autoresponder, you get 10 lists with unlimited subscribers for free. Okay. Nobody does that. All right. I don't care who they are. They don't do that. 10 lists, unlimited subscribers, and the autoresponder system. If you're familiar with what an autoresponder system is and you understand, is called SendSteed. And SendSteed does everything correct and legal and up to current specifications that they stay in business because they do it the right way. Okay. The page builder up to 10 pages, hostings included. Pop-up creator, 10 pop-ups, hostings included. 199 trackers and 10 rotators are available. Make money 5 different ways and more than the system. Okay. So let me get back, log back in here again. And I'm going to come down here to my page manager. And you probably came into this, or you can come into this video through, no, you can't. You have to go to this after watching this video. It's a test one. And these are just all different pages that I've put together. And I've done some different work testing products. So this is traffic on a budget. And it's not going to come up the way I want it to. We're going to have to go to Launch Editor. And a quick update here. So what I've done here is I've created a page. Here's a background. Here's all my text. This is text that I have went out and worked with an AI generator to make sure the text is good. And then this is the put in your name, put in your email. You can get your buyer traffic now. And basically what we're advertising that is for $5 or less, okay, per $5 or less per month on each of the different platforms that we are working with. So go to traffic on a budget, find our landing page or our sales page. I think that's it. No, that's just the thank you. Let's go find generator, cafe, dynamite engine, traffic on a budget. I think this is what we're looking for right here. And I'm gonna hit launch editor on this one. I'm having troubles with my screen just to go straight to the product itself. But so welcome to Traffic on a Budget. I have my video in here that does all the telling and selling for you on this particular program. And you're gonna get buyer clicks on shoestring budget, $5 or less each per month. And so click engine, you would click into here, you would make your purchase of $4.90. You would go through the steps of setting up your click engine. You can come back in, you can add click generator to that. The click generator, the TCG I was looking for earlier. Yeah, it's that one. $5 per month. You can set that up. Come back in, click Dynamite, $4.95 per month, and then click Cafe at $5 per month. So you can go 5, 10, 15, 20 bucks and have 4 different platforms running traffic for you. And this is not just any generic traffic out there. They are putting you in front of buyer traffic, people that are paying to come into their systems and then looking at other advertising as they go. And if you do click this, you can also get my 10 email titles for better open rates as a little bonus. And down here, this is my friend Barry Cross and mentor, and he's the one that showed me how to generate these pages. And what we do, because we're in Leads Leap, is we take his share codes, which he will have in these videos for you. Okay. Actually, I need to get these share codes put onto the bottom of this page, quite honestly. So the share codes will be available, and you can go in and build a page just like this. The only thing you need to do is just change out the links for these four guys, or you can change and use your own platforms, different platforms if you want to, totally up to you. Barry's got several of these pages out there. He doesn't use all the same. He mixes it up. I just like these because they're all, low entry fee, and it's not going to break the bank to get in there and get some traffic. Okay, so how you want to continue to use this? How are you going to promote this page once you put it together? Well, you're going to do one or two things. You're going to create videos like we do on YouTube, like you're watching this video right here, right now, or you're possibly going to go over to Leads Leap, to the Leads Leap program, and you're going to sign up for free, so it doesn't cost you anything. And you can post ad credits for free. Or if you decide to upgrade in Leads Leap, you can also post pro ads. I'll show you, I've got 5 right now, all for this program, the traffic on a budget, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got up to 10 that I can use, so I need to put some more together and work those in there. Now on the post credit ads for free, you are going to need to come over and do a little bit of clicking to get credits. So that you can it'll put your ads out there for people to click on. So you just come over and you start clicking away. And as you can see down here, my total clicks for today was 0. And welcome back. There we go. So I'm plus 1 now. And we got to get that out of there. And now I can go to the next one. And it just brings it up kind of like a web page. This is a Live Good ad. So now I've got clicks 1 so far for today. And you can just figure out your time management and how much time do you need to be on this site and clicking if you're going to use the free ads. If you upgrade in Leads Leap, and I believe that you can do that for like $23 a month, then you're going to be able to do your post your pro ads. And once those are in there, you do not have to do any other clicking. They just run the advertising for you. So as you can see, I've had this one up and running 7 days, 194 clicks, 1,876 since October 19th of 25. October 19th of 25. So real visits. Last 7 days, I've had 194 visits, 182 visits, 141 visits, 180, and 217 on that one. And these are all status active. So that is a true advertising benefit to being a pro member to Leads Leap. And then you can also, on your email system, which is right here, here's the SendSteed email marketing. You can also then do your series of emails, your email series right there. So that all of your campaigns, you can have multiple emails going out to them, such as this one here has 10 emails going out. This one here has 13 emails going out, okay, on the auto responder. That's what an auto responder does. Otherwise, you just run broadcasts if you are on the free system. And if you don't mind writing a broadcast, 2-3 times a week, maybe even daily, then you're perfectly fine using it that way as well. This is just a convenience of the autoresponder to drip that information onto a new lead until they are ready to make a buying decision. All right, so that's the system in general. We are going to start with this landing page, okay, and we're going to generate a lead into our SendSteed email system. And then they are going to come into our traffic on a budget, and they are going to decide if they want to purchase any of these 4 systems that are available. And it doesn't have to be 4, it can be 5, 6, however many you want to put in there. It could be just 1. if that's all you need it to be. They can get my bonus if they would like, and then they can watch Barry's emails or videos, sorry, Barry's videos on how to put this page together, and then we can get them the share codes so that they can build a page just like this one. All right, let's get back up here. So my name is Jeff, and if you've been to the channel before, welcome back. If you haven't been here before, then welcome. Hope you'll go ahead and subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you do like this content, as we know that that does help the channel out for sure. So with that information, if you would like to watch any of our other content, just look for the video that will pop up on the screen, and we will see you on the next video to help continue looking for ways to put you into profit with your affiliate marketing systems. Until next time, have a great day.